When it comes to global industrial corporations, few names stand as tall as Bosch. Founded in 1886, Bosch has really expanded over the years and now has a big presence in a bunch of different industries. From mobility solutions to consumer goods like washing machines and refrigerators, Bosch's reach is indeed much bigger than you probably know. In this video, we will dive into this incredible company's history, achievements, and contributions, which, trust me, are many. Let's get straight to it. Today, Bosch operates in over 60 countries, with more than 400,000 associates worldwide. But it began with a simple vision. Bosch's journey began in Stuttgart, Germany, with the visionary Robert Bosch's dream to create innovative products to improve people's lives. In the beginning, the company was mostly focused on automotive technology, launching its first magneto ignition system in 1897. Without getting into the technicalities of it, the magneto ignition system was a groundbreaking invention that enhanced the efficiency of internal combustion engines. Over the decades, Bosch expanded its offerings and started delving into various industries. By the mid-20th century, it had established itself as a big player in the global tech scene. The company's history is marked by many new innovations and product lines. Let's take a look at some of them and let's go industry-wise. In the mobility solutions or transport sector, Bosch's dominance is a testament to its commitment to innovation. The company's automotive technology portfolio covers a wide range of products, from advanced driver assistance systems to electric vehicle powertrains. In 1995, Bosch introduced the electronic stability control system, which helps prevent skidding and loss of control during sudden maneuvers or slippery road conditions. And this has now become a standard feature in modern vehicles. Bosch is a key player in defining the future of transportation, thanks to its work on self-driving tech, connectivity issues, and electric vehicles. It has led the way when it comes to crafting essential parts for electric vehicles, like electric motors and batteries. These have played a crucial role in driving the worldwide transition to eco-friendly transportation. Moreover, the company's commitment to hydrogen fuel cell tech also shows its dedication to sustainable mobility solutions. Today, the mobility solutions business makes up majority of the company's total sales. Next is Bosch's involvement in industrial technology, which is equally impressive. They cover a wide range of sectors like manufacturing, energy, and construction with their products and solutions. You name it, they've got it in industrial tech. From automation, drive and control tech, packaging tech, and they're even into connected factories where machines communicate with each other to optimize production, reduce waste, and improve resource management. The company has made a major impact in industrial tech by diving deep into Industry 4.0, or smart manufacturing. They're all about blending digital tech, the Internet of Things or IoT, and artificial intelligence into manufacturing processes to help businesses crank up productivity, cut down on downtime, and make everything run smoother. Now, since most of us think Bosch as a primarily tech company, it may be surprising for you to know that a significant percentage of the Bosch Group's total sales actually comes from consumer goods. Yes, Bosch's consumer goods division is an important part of the company's portfolio. It offers a wide range of products designed to enhance the lives and daily routines of people. These cover a wide range of stuff, from home appliances to power tools and smart home solutions. Let's explore Bosch's consumer goods product in more detail. Did you know that Bosch is known for its high-quality kitchen appliances? They've got quite the selection in the kitchen appliance department. Think refrigerators, ovens, stovetops, microwaves, dishwashers, and even range hoods. And what's cool is, the company puts special emphasis on these appliances being energy efficient, along with being easy to use. Next in line are Bosch's laundry appliances, like washing machines and dryers. These are equipped with advanced technologies to ensure efficient cleaning and drying, while also minimizing energy and water consumption. The company also has a small appliance line that includes coffee machines, vacuum cleaners, kettles, toasters, food processors, and more. Another popular line of products is its vacuum cleaners. They cater to different needs, from traditional canister vacuums to cordless stick vacuums for quick and efficient cleaning. That's a wide variety of products, right? But the list is nowhere close to over yet. Under the company's consumer goods sector also comes their famous power tools. Bosch offers a vast selection of cordless power tools, including drills, impact drivers, saws, and grinders, and a range of corded electric tools, including angle grinders, routers, jigsaws, and hammer drills. In recent years, Bosch has ventured into the smart home market by offering solutions that are designed to make homes more connected, secure, and energy efficient. Some of these smart home products and solutions include smart thermostats that allow homeowners to control their heating and cooling systems remotely, smart security systems that include video doorbells, security cameras, and alarm systems, smart home ecosystems that allow users to connect and control various devices, such as lighting, locks, and appliances, through a single interface, and Bosch's energy management solutions that help homeowners optimize their energy consumption and reduce their environmental footprint. Phew, that's a lot of different products to keep track of. But wait, Bosch's influence isn't limited to just mobility solutions, industrial technology, and consumer goods. The company has diversified its portfolio to include several other business areas, which shows how flexible and committed they are to taking on the challenges of today. As healthcare technology became more crucial, Bosch didn't stand still. It established Bosch Healthcare Solutions, which is a subsidiary that focuses on developing innovative healthcare solutions, like keeping an eye on patients from afar and creating telemedicine systems. The company's goal is to use top-notch tech to make healthcare easier to access for everyone and get better results. Bosch also recognizes the importance of staying at the forefront of innovation, which is why it established the Robert Bosch Venture Capital, which serves as the company's venture capital arm. It invests in startups and emerging technology companies across various industries. This initiative ensures that Bosch knows all about the latest advancements that are taking place in different industries and gives it an opportunity to integrate them into its products and services. The company is also known to file thousands of patents each year. This is evidence of its innovative strength and the emphasis it places on R&D. It is clear that Bosch's contributions to the industries it operates in have been profound and far-reaching. The company's dedication to pushing the boundaries of technology continues to shape these industries and improve the quality of life for people worldwide. As we look into the future, it would be interesting to see what new products and innovations the company comes up with. One thing is for sure, Bosch knows how to evolve and adapt to the new needs of the present times. And that is one of the most crucial qualities that makes the difference between a business staying relevant or fading out. What are your thoughts? Were you aware that Bosch operates in so many different business sectors? Or did you have no idea just how big it was? Comment below and tell us. We love hearing from you. Also, tell us what companies you want us to cover, and maybe we'll make a video on that next. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on some of your favorite companies. And hit that bell icon so that you're notified every time we drop a fresh video. See you next time.